I mean, that's a hard one for me to play.
Give me a couple frames of it then.
Okay.
It's a real hard one. It's a fucking muscle.
Oh yeah, that's hard.
One day I went fly fishing in the Nude. I'm sure it looks pretty silly, but it seemed like the thing to do. It was 20 below with snow on the ground, and my line it was a hanging out. I went fly fishing in the Nude.
I thought the raw would be
I was perched up high on a rock, kinda wondering if the fish are gonna bite or not. And if anybody could see me. And I said, whoops, then I looked up and across the creek. There was this girl, she was laughing at me, and I stood there just fishing like a fool. Fly fishing in the Nude. It looks pretty silly, but sometimes it's a thing to do. Yeah, try fly fishing in the Nude. It's a sporting kind of thing.
You should do. Oh yeah.
Well, I was still perched up on that rock, and my line was still hanging out. That girl kept laughing right at me. So I said, hey girl, what's so funny? She said, you ain't catching nothing with that lure, honey. She laughed and turned and walked away. Fly fishing in the Nude. It looks pretty silly. Sometimes it's a thing to do. Yeah, fly fishing in the Nude. It's a sporting kind of thing to do.
I said a few frames, but that was cool, Jay. That was really awesome, man.